Final goodbyes. So we literally have like 2-3 hours before the car gets picked up. I'm doing last thing. I'm finally making that exhaust heat shield on for the exhaust. She's cleaning everything right now, just wiping it down. We bought some detailing supplies so we could put all the tools, the detailing supplies in the trunk to bring it there. Yeah. So I installed the trunk latches. They're the same ones that are actually on the M3 GTR race car, and they kind of hook onto these things. Yeah, I mean it keeps the trunk like a crazy amount shut, but yeah, it's pretty cool. Anyways, I'm gonna take the car to the car wash now. Well, Rachel wiped it all down, but I still need to vacuum it. So the seats, the carpet, the trunk, the rear seat metal, all that stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Just got some more rags. I've never cleaned this thing, but like I said, thankfully Rachel wiped it down. But I got some spray cleaner, some tire shine, and just a bunch of rags. I still got to do the front seal for the windshield and a couple little things when I get there, but we'll take care of that. I also have this in case I decide to buy spacers last second, and we can just take them to Vegas in a week, because like I said, we are going to actually be leaving in a week. I love these new latches though. They make me feel more secure. Just kidding, anyone can open it. I just think people are scared to touch it. I got some POV driving clips for you guys that I'm not gonna post in this video, but I think I'm gonna actually do it like separate videos, because I won't have anything to post for a full week. So like I'll just make like 2 small videos. I think we're gonna take the car somewhere and just record just random stuff. So this is actually the spot where I took that picture. I just did like another picture of it and kind of put them together in a collage. Looked cool. I'm really gonna miss this thing. Like, I know it's only gonna be for a week, but literally my whole life revolves around cars, and currently this car. So it's gonna suck. So I'm not gonna have anything to do but play drifting games on PC. That's it. And Fortnite maybe. Like literally. So I'm just trying to get all the clips and pictures. I did a couple of pulls, which is in that POV. But I don't want to like beat on it too heavily, just in case, you know, something else blows up or something right now, which would be very bad luck. So yeah, so I'm just gonna get some clips, I guess. I just got off the phone with the transportation company. They said in about 25 to 30 minutes they'll be here at this AutoZone. So I'm gonna load it up. Obviously I'll record and take pictures of it being loaded up, because I actually have to too, because the organizer of the stuff said that you should take pictures of it being in the truck and stuff like that, and mark down the mileage and all that fun stuff. So yeah. Yeah, once you take out the key, like 10-15 seconds. Okay. Something like that. Look at that Porsche up there, so beautiful. This is going to Arizona. The rest of the cars, apparently there's like still a bunch here, and then they're picking up like a Skyline and stuff, and they're going to SEMA too.
See that it's cool in there?
I didn't see anything that's in there, but they're going back to, remember the shop where we tuned your LS?
Yeah.
They're going back for their project, which is an Advent R34 GTR, and then like 2 more cars. Yeah. And he said the Porsche is going to what is it, Arizona, but the rest are going to all Las Vegas. He's like, what's going on in Las Vegas that all these cars are going there from the East Coast?
Yeah.
But yeah.
That's cool.
Bye. See you in whatever video. I'll probably just live stream video games from now on for the next week. Like that. I don't even know. I don't have anything else to do.
Well, you can go do one power steering on the Z.
I don't want to.
You can install my window motor on the Z.
I don't want to.
You can do
I don't do anything to your 350Z.
You can do my white spab kit on the S13.
Oh, Jesus. Anyways. Bye, guys.